What's good, you guys? That dude Troy, this that channel that you just clicked on? That's mine. I'm over here with my cousin. I'm about to show you that J. Cole workout step. Just make it up, fresh. Here we go. Ready? Hey, check it out. What? Here we go. Go. Work it out. What? Bring it. What? Get it.
I came back for just to get to you, like you asked for. Minute thing in them chains too fat for 3 pounds, so I caught off the backboard.
That's it. That's it. Bring it back. What? Bring it low. What? Let me work it out. What? Hey. Oh, you got it right here. That dude Troy.
Nigga. Hi, baby. I love you. DC.
Willis.
Bucks with it.